we come to the elevator at the OWCA headquarters, also known as the Organization Without a Cool Acronym, in Fantech City. This building was built once the show was coming to an end. By show, I mean Phineas and Ferb. And then this building opened in 2015, and Perry the Platypus installed this elevator. Without further ado, let's ride it. Yes, you do need a key card to ride this elevator. This elevator does go pretty far underground. The elevators at the Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated were extremely slow for 51 floors. This just serves 2 floors. So let's see how this elevator is. The reason why it took a while to come is because it goes pretty far underground. The headquarters is pretty far underground. So without further ado, let's go to HQ, headquarters. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this thing's a lot faster than the elevator at Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated. Perry the Platypus sure knew what he was doing. So yeah, a secret agent platypus can do better than Heinz Doofenshmirtz, the pharmacist, on elevators. Here at headquarters, we're gonna go back up to the entrance. That's also where the security is as well. So yeah, this pharmacist right here doesn't really know how to do elevators. And speaking of which, evil pharmacists trying to take over the entire tri-state area are prohibited in this building. Thank you, OWCA. So that means Heinz Doofenshmirtz the pharmacist is not allowed in this building. So anyways, that's it.